Good afternoon, everybody, and happy Friday.
Happy Friday.
Welcome back to Century 21 and Stovall Properties Group Friday video of the week. We are going to speak today to you about buying, the importance of getting qualified, the interest rates that are going on, and our inventory levels. At this point, with school going back in, our inventory levels are going to level out, and your ability to purchase, I think, is going to be a little bit easier. You're going to have less competition amongst the other buyers that needed to get in prior to school starting, and we'll find that the sellers are much easier to work with, and you as a buyer will be able to not get that deal, but not have as much pressure with the competition of feeling like you've got to give them your highest and best from the get-go. Interest rates. Let's talk a little bit about interest rates.
So interest rates are currently sitting about 4.5% with a projection of 5% by the end of the year. The reason this is significant is because it's going to change payments. Currently, a $300,000 loan at 4.5% is going to put you about $1,520 a month for your mortgage. Going up to a 5% interest rate is going to put you about $1,610. That's a $90 difference a month, and that can change a payment that somebody's comfortable making.
So it's really important that you get pre-qualified with a lender. Talk to your lender, so you can decide, or you can figure out what you want to afford versus what you can afford.
And after you get pre-qualified and you know what price range you would like to be in, it's really, really important to go ahead and submit those documents, your bank statements, your tax returns, proof of employment to your lender, so you can get the pre-approval letter, and that puts your best foot forward so you can go in and alleviate the seller's concerns that you are ready, willing, and able, you are serious, and then they would really want to work with you because you've done that extra step. That's a great tidbit, and contact us, any of us, because we have more.
And speaking of pre-approval letters, that's pretty exciting when you get that, but that does not mean you go out and open credit cards and buy your blinds and your appliances and, you know, shop for your new furniture. So you want to keep your credit steady, even. Wait until after closing, because we're going to check, or your lender's going to check that right up until the final, sign on the line. Don't open a credit card.
Yeah, don't get any
Don't
more,
change your job.
Don't get any more debt. No more debt
Right.
to income.
Yeah.
And if the lender does determine that you need a little more time before they issue that loan, there are lease purchase programs that we can look at for you. If the lender, or I should say if the seller is not in an opportunity to offer that to you, there are third-party companies that can do so. Call us. We'll work with you on that and get you on that path to owning your own home.
So I hope you got a little bit of information out of that. We are Stovall Properties Group. I am Sarah Stovall.
Stephanie McCluskey.
Cheryl Scott.
Audra Edwards.
Tiffany Borner, Maylin Wilson.
We are missing Teresa Saraceni. She is here with us in spirit. And you can follow us at #SPGBest or give us a call at 678-427-1999. Happy Friday.
Happy Friday.
Happy Friday.